Gun rights activist says that his constitutional rights were violated when he was arrested outside a school board meeting. The charges were later dropped. Channel 2's Tony Thomas reports from Gwinnett County on the $3 million lawsuit and the punishment one officer faced.
Jim Cooley is known for carrying two things pretty much wherever he goes, a gun and a camera. He's now armed himself with this federal lawsuit as well, asking for millions of dollars after an arrest last year.
I restrict you from bringing a weapon in if you're a carrier.
Oh, you can't?
No, sir.
Oh, okay.
It's a public building now.
I didn't know.
That's a law. It's just we don't allow signs.
This is cell phone video of the 2014 arrest of activist Jim Cooley. As he stood outside a Beaufort City Schools board meeting, he held a sign with the words, "You are servants of the people." He also had a .380 handgun in his holster on his hip. The school superintendent called police.
Standing at the front door in front of our steps with a gun.
Gwinnett County Police charged Cooley with criminal trespass, but later the charges were dropped. Cooley's fighting back, though, filing this multi-million-dollar lawsuit against the city schools, county police, and others for what he says were constitutional rights violations.
Go ahead and arrest me. I'm going to get out. And then I'm going to do what I have to do.
Cooley is the same activist who wore a rifle across his chest as he walked through Hartsfield-Jackson earlier this year, causing a stir. In the school case, one officer was reprimanded after Cooley noticed discrepancies in what happened during the arrest and what the officer wrote in his report.
Yes, the gentleman was carrying a firearm. What it boiled down to is that he was on school property and the authority of the school did ask him to leave, correct?
Correct.
All right, and he did refuse to leave.
Correct, several times.
I was injured. I was humiliated. And they need to pay for that.
The government would not comment on the lawsuit. Their lawyers have until the end of next month to file a response. In Gwinnett County, Tony Thomas, Channel 2 Action News.